Hello friends, in today's class let us discuss about objectifying women. Friends, it is a very important topic and it is very grave problem. It is a social evil. It is present all over the world. Friends, here I have written the points. I will explain you one by one. Friends, what is the meaning of objectification of woman? Here the physical appearance or the outer looks of a woman are given more importance than her personality. So friends, the main reason for this is our patriarchal system, and women are also equally responsible for it because they also try to fit into that frame that the society has made. So in our Indian society it is said that in Indian society people have made some specifications like in Hindi we say gori chitti ladki means women have to be tall, fair and thin. So it is in some frame that people have made. So women's are put into all women's try to put in try to fit into themselves into that frame. The people who don't fit into the into that frame gets low self-esteem, so they are humiliated and they are discriminated. So this is not good for any civilized society, because friends, we are all creations of God, we are all children of God. So we must remember this. We don't have any role in our physical appearance, because everyone is unique in this world. So the way the discrimination over their race, their caste and the social status is there, friends, in this way the discrimination of woman over her physical appearance is also too much embedded in our society. We have to take it out. In 21st century we all need to work towards it. So friends, we are all equal in society, means the because men, women, everyone is equal irrespective of their caste, social status, anything, or their physical appearances. If we discriminate anyone over their looks means so it is injustice to God. It is injustice to God itself. So friends, here I have written points. See, objectification, specification, patriarchal system, woman. See friends, height is also one of the factors. Weight, see, there are so many films when there's people make fun of the fat girls. See friend, color. See, color is a very important factor that our Indian society is very much obsessed with it. So friends, here see, discrimination is taking place. So friends, at the young age, in the young age, what the children, what the students or the teenagers have to do is they have to work on work on their career. They have to build their physique. So they have to go forward in their life. But at that time, their minds are filled with this beauty concept, beauty hype is created in our society. Means at the major time when they have to focus on the good things, their minds are hyped by this beauty concept. So their career will not go to that height as it should go. See friends, next one is that low self-esteem. People who don't fit into that frame gets low self-esteem. Sometimes some mental illness is also caused. Friends, see this hurdle. So beauty has become a hurdle for success. See, when in our Indian society marriage takes place, a boy looks for a girl who is beautiful, tall, fair and slim. Fair and slim. Her education, her all talents, her education, her management skills, everything becomes are powered by her beauty. So this is also in her beauty also becomes harder for their future life. See friend, next is civilized society. So in civilized society everyone is equal. So at this time also we have to work towards it. Friends, the main culprits here are our films and advertisements, where they hype the beauty of the woman. So they project the women as some beauty objects or entertainment objects. They are given very few roles. Their roles in the films are so less. They are given the characters of mother, daughter, girlfriends, fiancé, like this they are given, and they are made to made to dance, wear clothes, and they are made to dance. So their character is so low. They earn the money by objectifying women. So what happens is that the outlook or the way we look towards women is that we try to see, everyone tries to look, it has become like that, everyone looks at women, how much she is beautiful, whether she fits into that frame of beauty or not, that has become more important than their character or their values. See friends, awareness is necessary. See friends, celebrities are also doing so many advertisement giving that fairness creams. So fairness creams and everything. There are so many ads. So we can't talk also like that. Ads also come over objectifying the woman. See friends, celebrities have to take stand. They need to realize that. They are, because they are in a very high position, or we can say the people or younger generation idealizes them, they need to think about it. Friends, films and advertisements. See friends, one more name I have to add here is that the one of the women poetess or revolutionary woman from Karnataka, she told that in the 12th century, she told that Akka Mahadevi told that we need to. I think she is the first woman in the whole world. She told that we need to respect woman, not her beauty. So friends, in the 12th century only she talked, and she has written so many vachanas or poems. You people, young generation people need to read her vachanas. Next friends, stand. See, it is the time we all have to take certain stands. So friends, humiliating anyone over their beauty is very bad and disgusting. Friends, let us respect each other, and let us try to respect woman. Let us not objectify her. She is not a beauty object. She is a firm personality. All women have got very firm and very strong personalities. Let us look at them with the dignity. So friends, let us spread this message. If you like, then subscribe my channel. The main thing I want from all the young generation or the people is that to spread the awareness about it. Thank you.